This is G. Give the password.
Massey.
Yes, I'm G with the light brown hair. I have an assignment for you.
Oh.
What?
Oh, nothing.
Massey Ferguson have developed a fantastic new product, the 600 series. You will investigate. Take one man.
One man? Who?
That is your decision. You have contacts.
But you don't understand, Massey. I have urgent work for your nephew. How long is this holiday likely to last? 12 years with good behavior. I see. Thank you.
Yes?
Is Harry there?
No.
I see. His fingers there?
No?
Ah, well. What's your name?
Hold on. George.
Yours, dear.
What am I doing here? What is all this?
You'll be paid. Just do everything I tell you, and it'll be all right.
You sound like my mother. What's all this about tractors?
I've told you, just keep driving. Mind the pig.
Pig? Ah! Come on, I'm humping all this lot. What's in here anyway?
The espionage kit.
What? How old are you?
Let's go.
I can't believe this. You're really serious about this, aren't you?
Quiet, get down. There it is.
What?
The Massey Ferguson 600 series.
Oh, it's nice, isn't it? What terrific lines. Can we go home now?
Remove your camera. Okay. Now, we've no idea what they're talking about. Have you got the laser particle enhanced sound detector?
How should I know? Is this it?
What does it say on the box?
This side up.
That's the one. Okay. Look at that.
What?
Write down ease of access. Make notes. Write down ease of access.
I'm trying to sort all this out.
Wonderful.
Oh, I'm extremely happy for you.
Have you got the sound detector working yet?
No.
Great.
Yes.
Yeah, I like this, Mr. Field.
This is
Visibility's really excellent all round. And the ventilation?
Driving position, that's good. Hey, look at this new dashboard. We got all those warning lights.
Yes, you've got a sunroof.
It's a sort of cab that makes you look forward to working in it.
The controls are all grouped logically. And the hydraulics are positioned in just the right place so you can see behind you as you...
Naturally would.
No, what you've got to realise, Dave, is a completely redesigned cab. It's got space, you see, but the cab is set forward. So the stuff at the back doesn't foul up the rear window when it's lifted. And you can't say that about many cabs these days.
Yeah, no, right. It's obviously been made for the job.
It's a bit like your Mercedes, Mr. Fields.
You be quiet about my work, David.
Shut up! Shut up!
Just look at that rear window, Dave. Oh, go on, open it.
Ah, gas struts, nice.
So you can get to the influence quickly, if you have to.
Yeah, it's safe, stays open, no bother.
You're recording this on tape, I assume?
You're joking.
No, it's necessary for later analysis.
Oh, we're going to get a gold disc out of this as well, are we? All right, turn her on.
Focus the sound in the cab.
Hey, it's really quiet in here.
No, it's even quieter.
Get the dossier. See? Perkins. Read the dossier.
The Perkins engine provides high power output with minimum fuel consumption.
I can get a lot done.
And it'll keep my costs down.
The 600 series employs 3 different rated Perkins engines. The 675 has 66 horsepower, the 690 75 horsepower, and the 698 88 horsepower. There's more of this if you want it. Bloody reams of it.
Keep going.
The feature of the Perkins engine is
It's going! Follow!
Oh, this is a right game, this is. High power output at low revs, which means when it comes to those difficult bits,
Now, watch this. That's good engine torque.
And you don't have to change gear.
That's right.
That's a key point. Write it down.
Write it down, record it. You don't want much, do you?
It has a 12-speed synchro mesh gearbox.
But if you do want to change gear,
You know, the controls are straightforward.
and with a good engine torque, you've got precisely the right gear for any job in any conditions.
One flick of the red lever.
Don't tell me. It fires a ground-to-air guided missile.
You cretin, it gives you a 30% increase in speed. The key to an operation like this is surprise. Yes. We move like ghosts. We choose our target. We close in on it. We take what we want and then away. And the target doesn't even know we're there.
Here, look lively.
What is it?
I think our target's after us.
We're safe here. You can never get out of this bank. God, it's still coming! You just run!
I thought you said it could get up this bank.
Got it! This model has a four-wheel drive option. It can go anywhere.
Look, we're going up my trouser leg. You better get a move on. All right, sunshine. You got me into this caper. You get me out.
Here. Take this.
What's it for? Bad breath? That's the least of my problems.
Cyanide.
You're balmy.
We must take risks now. Get out! And remember, let me do the talking.
And the hydraulics are as good as ever, David.
Oh, well, it's automatic draft control. Even I can't go wrong with that.
No tire slip. And you'd be surprised how much money that saves me every year. Good morning. Are you lost?
Oh, no. My companion and I were just, bird watching. We are very keen on birds of inaudible time. This is just to humor him. Poor Wolfgang, he has been deaf and dumb since he was 6 years old. Also, he's not, you understand? In fact, we are not just interested in birds. We are all around the countryside. Buffs. And when we spotted your tractor, we were very interested in its workings.
Oh, really?
Especially the hydraulics.
Oh, you know about tractors, then?
No. Nothing. How does it work?
Well, the operator selects the depth he wants the implement to work at, and the implement goes into the soil. Now, when it reaches that particular depth, this is sensed by the top link. And there's a valve arrangement which maintains that depth automatically.
Do all tractors have this?
Something like it, but not as good as that. After all, these people invented the idea. It's all in the top link sensor. Best there is.
Thank you, sir.
That's bloody amazing.
Yeah.
I mean, does it all work through that little...
You imbecile! I told you not to talk!
I know, sorry, but I... You know, it
told you not to talk!
It is bloody amazing, though.
You can't... You come back, I tell you!
What is it?
No! You come back here!
What is it?
You come back! Lunch break. Here we are.
Hammond.
Blimey. You spy blokes do all right, don't you? What union do you belong to?
All right. It hardly takes a second to go from 540 to 1,000 revs for the power takeoff.
Yeah, but can it keep the revs up?
Well, you see. It's a fair test, this. Mind you, you want to see it with the porridge you're on. The great thing is, it operates at 300 revs below the maximum engine speed. So you can imagine how much I save on fuel. And it keeps a PTO at a constant speed.
This is a rum old game you're in, isn't it?
But it has its moments.
What's your name?
Hammer.
Oh, I thought there was something funny about you. I've often wondered about your mob. Do you ever get dressed up in women's clothes?
Of course not. How could you think that? Well, occasionally.
Oh, right. Here, he's ducking.
Boy, that was our lunch.
We must get some details of the external hydraulic system. It's a key feature of the 600 series. Come on, let's get in.
You're joking, all this?
Come on. This is a highly versatile hydraulic system. The spool valves mean the operator can switch from single to double-acting hydraulics in seconds.
Oh, gosh, the smell.
Don't be pathetic. Concentrate. There are two systems, two pumps, and they can operate independently or together. The whole thing is controlled from within the cab. Go on.
You idiot!
Get down!
Don't you think we've got enough? I'd like to get back to the garage. There are lots of villains about, you know. Anybody can break in.
Found it. The last piece of the jigsaw. Look at this. The entire backup system, trained mechanics, parts availability, operator training, and the big dealer network. It all ties up.
Yeah, listen, I've been
Don't you see? This MF600 series is a formidable advance on anything you've known before.
Why don't we buy one?
I must report it immediately. What?
I mean, what What are we doing here? Dodging and diving, breaking and entering, lying in mud, having filth dropped on us? We could just go out and buy one of the blinking things. I mean, these blokes have.
What do you mean, buy one? We're spies. Don't you understand? We'd be out of work.
All right. Well, if that's what you're worried about, listen, there's a Massey Ferguson tractor parked round the corner, right?
Yeah.
OK, I'll nick it. If you enjoy all this poncing about, that's the answer, Chief. See you later.
No! Oh, wait! You can't do it! Look, listen! It's against the law! No! Come back!
I'm on your strolling vagabond, so good night.